Hey guys, Aslam Manzoor here. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing dentist system for denting healthcares, for denting clinics, for dentist trainers, for dentists. So it's a basically AI-based websites, you can call it. And also we have AI chatbot, we have social media automations, like someone comment on your Facebook, it will be automatically reply and automatically DMs. And we have also lead smart lead system where we can send them automatically follow-ups, emails, SMS. And also we have missed call text back automations, database reactivations. We have a lot of things. I will show you step by step in this video. And also another thing is that it's totally free of cost. You will get whole system. You can just watch this video. At the end of video, I will let you know how you can get this whole system free of cost. Let me dive in backends and I will show you step by step. So that's a funnel we are going to use. I will put your logo here and your color scheme updates, all those things. Here you can see we have some benefits of dentist, home dentist, and here we have services sections. Here we have our procedure, how we can process, and here we have our call to actions, our booking appointments availability, and also we have some FAQ sections, some blog sections, and here we have some testimonial as well, and we have booking page. And also we have CTA call to actions here as well. We have booking page. I will show you here. This is a booking page for dentist funnels. And also in the meantime, I will show you another thing. We have thank you page as well. That's a funnel we can use, and it's a fully converted funnel. It's a AI smart funnels. And also here you see we have chatbot as well. It will be work like an assistant. I will show you all things how it's work. And let me dive in backend and I will show you step by step. And by the way, you will get all those things, all these funnels and everything free of cost. You can just watch this video and then you will get answer how you can get it free. So for example, someone submit this form. I just go back here. Someone submit this form. What happened on a backend? Let's go into this workflow. And in this workflow, what we can do, we will submit leads into our pipelines and stages. And in the meantime, I will show you pipelines as well and opportunities. And here we can check if lead is qualified or not qualified, or some boards leads. We can test everything, then we can put into pipeline accordingly. I will show you all these automations, and in the meantime I will show you opportunities. It's loading here. It will take few seconds. Yes, here you can see I just say dentist consultation. Here we have opportunity, new leads, web chat means AI chatbot that did chat for your customer, lead qualified, not qualified, follow-ups, consultation book, show, no show in meeting, cancelled, and reschedule, complete. And we have complete these leads opportunity pipeline where we can manage our all leads. So in this workflow, I will show you how we can check and how we can process and how we can assign to our team member as well. It's not qualified, and here we have form submitted. What happen if someone submit form? So for example, someone submit form, what happen? We will form submit, we will add tag. Based on tag, we will assign to a service interest, where on which service he is interested. As you see, we have on page our 4 and 5 services. Then we will put into new leads in our pipeline. I just show you a few seconds ago. We will put in here in new lead. And based on this, what we can say that we will assign to user. If for example you have team members, you can assign it here, and I will send to internal notification to all team members who is available, who can reply this. And we will slightly wait, and then we will send confirmation emails. Your form is submitted, and we can say that you can book appointments. Then we will send confirmation SMS. We will wait 1 day if they not reply. In this case, we can send second day, we can wait another day, we will send third day emails, and we will wait 7 days and we will send this one. And after that, we will add into another workflow, and we will add tag here, they need follow-ups. We will put later on these leads into follow-ups. I will show you in the next step. And in this case, if customer lead reply emails or SMS, so what we can say, leads not reply. If in case reply, we will send internal notification to our team. Otherwise, we can just ignore it. It's not interested leads. We have to work on it. We have to send them more emails, and we will put them into nurture campaign as well. And that's how we will manage our leads, new leads. And here is AI chatbot system, where we can someone, for example, someone reply on our chat widget, and you start talking with a chat widget. What happened on a backend? So we will bring them leads and put into, for example, I will show you, if someone submit these details, so what happened in a backend? We will get this data and put into our pipeline, and we will assign to user, and we will create opportunity, and we will check if opportunities already exist or not. Based on it, what we can say, we will add our chatbot, AI chatbot, and AI chatbot start conversation, and also start sending notification as well to our teams, and where our team will be respond as a human as well. So that's how it's work, AI chatbot on backend. And also we have, yes, that's a follow-up system. As I told you, we have follow-ups. For example, the lead is not interested or not qualified. What we can see, we will put them into 8-week follow-ups, or in 8 week we can nurture them, follow up them, and until they not reply, we will start sending them follow-ups. Here we have cold SMS, cold emailing system, where we can new leads. We have, for example, we have leads, we can put in them, and we will start cold outreaching. This is a whole system where we can do cold outreaching. We have dream mode in it, and for example, we will add leads, and we will send first email based on it's open, not open. We will send them internal notifications, we will send them emails, and if they're not open or open, based on this, we will run another automations. Similarly, we will run automation until they not reply. And another thing is that we have complete booking system. If consultation is booked, we will send reminders before 1 day of meetings, before 10-hour meeting, before 5-hour meeting, before 1 hour, and before 5 minute as well. If they not show or cancel, we will run this, and we will resend the link, and we can say, hey, you can reschedule meeting or rebook meeting as well. Here we have database reactivations campaign, in which we will reactivate, we will help you to reactivate your whole data. For example, you have customer before this system, so you can put all those customer, you have offers, you want to just outreach them, and you can say, hey, we have this offer for you. If you can avail this offer, you will get 30% off, 20% off. We will run here dream mode, in dream mode, and after that, what we can do, we will send emails and SMS, and based on this, what we can do, contact reply, and if contact is not reply, we will run this, and we will create an update opportunity, remove tag, and we will ask ChatGPT or any AI models, we will ask them to do AI things and start auditing this one, and then we will send internal notification. This is a complete DBR system. Until your system, your lead is not reply again back, it will be working. And similarly, we have another things as well for you, that's called that's, I just go back, I just called DND. in this mean don't disturb. So for example, some one lead says, I don't want to, you don't disturb me. So we have just button don't disturb me. We click on it, and we will automatically activate this workflow, and we will remove this workflow from all other workflow, and we will put leads on DND. Yes, that's a missed call text back. So for example, your number is busy and you're calling someone else, or you're not available. If someone do a missed call and someone not pick a call, we will send immediately SMS, and we'll say, we are not available right now, and you can just call on this time, or here is our link, you can book appointment directly with us. So that's how missed call text back is work. And here we have review system, that's called reputation management system. What we can do, we will send survey, and in survey we will say, hey, you can please give us your feedback on our Google My Business, on Facebook, or on any other platform. And in this case, if they give us a 5-star, we will be automatically post on their Google My Business or Facebook or anywhere. And if they not reply, and what we can say, we will if they not reply properly, what we can do, we can if they reply, But if they give you 4 3-star or 2-star, we will send notification to team, and we say this guy is not happy with your service. You can achieve you can rehelp them or reconsider them services. Similar for SMS, for emails, for Facebook, for Google, and even you can add more social media as well. And here we have social media automations. For example, someone comment on your Instagram, your TikTok, and your Facebook, it will be automatically reply, and it will automatically send Facebook and in TikTok and Instagram DM as well. So here is a notification alert where we can send them. That's called newsletter or something like that. We can send alert to our customer and our leads as well. That's how this full dentist system work. And if you need more things, you want customization, we will do all customization, and we will make it according to your requirement as well. If you want this whole system free of cost, I have just link in my channel, so you can just buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, and I will give you this whole system. And you can buy GoHighLevel and just comment on video, and you can say, hey, I just buy this with your link, and I will give you all those things. And another thing is that if you have already GoHighLevel, you need to just simply go here and leadsflex.com. The link is description box below as well. You can just go here and you can book free consultation here, and I will jump with you and I will give you the system and I will guide you step by step as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.